Hey, it's your girl, Nikki, PinkkGoddess. Today, we are going to talk about how to make money online today. Now, making money online today does not necessarily mean you're going to get paid today. However, I have a couple of ways that I want to share with you that you can make money today, and a couple of them you can get paid within 24 to 48, maybe even 72 hours. So keep watching and let's get into it.
All right, so we're going to get right into it. How to make money online today with your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess. So listen, there are so many ways that you can make money online, but today we're going to focus on how to make money online today. And I wanted to just touch bases with you on a few different ways. However, not all of them are created equal, number one. And number two, not all of them are going to put money in your pocket today, although you could start earning today. So the first one we're going to talk about is how to start a blog or a website, right? Well, the goal of starting a blog or a website is to monetize, right? And so you can monetize via sponsored posts, content, and or digital and physical products, services, having private ads on your site, affiliate marketing. There are so many different reasons that people start a blog. One of them is increased visibility. Starting a blog is going to allow you to get more visible when you are trying to sell your products or services, right? And it is going to allow you to share your valuable content and promote whatever it is you're trying to promote. Number two, you can build trust with your audience. By providing valuable content on your blog, you can establish trust and you establish yourself as an authority in your niche. You can also increase your conversion rates. You can get organic traffic and you can start to build your brand. That's what you can do when you start a blog or website and you are monetizing it, right? All right. Number two is you can sell products and services via e-commerce. Now you can sell various products and services online via your website, and you can use your own custom built e-commerce store. I can assist you with that because the platform that I'm affiliated with will allow you to do that, and it can be however you desire. So if you have questions, you can reach out to me with that. Then you can also build over on Shopify, Etsy, eBay, Poshmark, PrestaShop, Big Cartel, Squarespace, Square, Weebly, WooCommerce, and Wix. So these are just a few e-commerce store options, right? But there's so many different risks that are associated when you set up an e-commerce store. But one of the pros is you can have flexibility when you have your own e-commerce store. You have the ability to select whatever range of products and services you want to offer, as well as a lot of times it can be cost effective because, you are actually in control of the process. So number three is going to be your own course or ebook. Now, you can sell your own digital products, your own membership site, digital ebooks, planners, software, videos, audio, music, digital art, photos. It's so many different things that you can sell that you create yourself. And again, depending on how you choose to get paid, it's going to be determined on how fast you can get paid. And so again, you're going to be able to establish yourself as an authority if you create your own course or your ebook. And you're going to be able to build a loyal customer base because you're creating your own course or ebook in an area that can help people that are looking for a specific area to get help in. And you're going to be the authority to do that. And then they're going to trust you. So people buy from who they know, like, and trust, right? And they're going to get to where they can rely on your expertise. And also selling producing your own course or ebook or any other digital product, you're going to be able to have flexibility in what you offer. You're having full control over the content, the formatting, the price, and it's going to give you, again, more control. And of course, scalability. Once your course or your ebook is created, you can sell it to a few people. You can sell it to the masses. It's totally up to you. It is definitely a scalable income stream. And again, depending on the way that you decide to sell it is going to determine how quickly you can get paid. My favorite, of course, is affiliate marketing. Yes. Affiliate marketing is going to, number one, here's tip one, hot ticket affiliate marketing. Make sure you're using my sales method, which is going to help you to not leave money on the table, right? Time is money. The sales method is system, automation, leverage is going to get you sales. You got to choose the right affiliate marketing product to promote. Now, in my opinion, if you're going to get paid to share a product and service, why not find one that is going to be high ticket? Because if you have, like, let's say a $10,000 a month income goal, it will take you 400 people or 400 times to sell a $25 product to create 10,000. If you have a $500 product, it's going to take you 20 people or 20 times to sell it to get to 10,000. Of course, $1,000 product is going to take you 10 people or 10 times, and a $2,000 product is going to take you 5 people or 5 times. So if you know how to target the right audience, right, and have the right system, an example, of course, like I said, using my sales method, it's going to allow you to put a system in place. It will be easier for you to target a high ticket item than a low ticket item when you have a system in place. And so the sales method is going to allow you to have automation and leverage so that you can create sales on autopilot. Everyone likes to wake up to money, right? That's what autopilot is. While you're out doing the things that you love, you're getting paid. You also want to make sure that you are only promoting products and services that align with your brand and your audience. By doing this, you're going to be able to drive more targeted traffic to your affiliate offers that you have, resulting in higher conversion rates, right? And of course, creating engaging content and making sure you're targeting the right audience. You want to make sure you're creating valuable and engaging content, right? Because this is key, because you need to be able to provide blog posts, videos, infographics, reels, posts on social media, and video content that can help you attract organic traffic to your website and increase visibility of your affiliate products. When you're providing valuable and informative content, your audience is going to love you. They're going to trust you. They're going to want to support you. They're going to want to buy from you, right? And number 3, the name of the game is exposure, exposure, exposure. Search engine optimization, collaborating with influencers, paid and free marketing strategies, retargeting, networking. There are so many different ways to get exposure. If you are not getting exposure every single day, your business 9 times out of 10 is not growing. So if you would like to know the number 1 high ticket affiliate marketing community that I recommend, visit my website, Freedom for Life System. This is it right here. And don't forget to join the Facebook group. You'll see the link below. Let us help you level up your life this year, right? You deserve whatever it is that you desire, but you got to have the right systems in place and the right ways for you to be able to do that. It is go time. I want to thank you for watching How to Make Money Online today. And I will see you, baby, on the next video. Thanks for watching.
And that's it. It's a wrap on how to make money online today. Now let's get you making some money today. Of course, if you have any questions, you already know, join the Facebook group and reach out so you can get your questions answered. Let's get some coins flowing into that bank account. Let's get it.